One of the biggest things that I've learned over my 17 years of trading is that you definitely need a group or a couple of people you discuss trading with. The big thing I find is that they need to be a much better trader, a better trader than what you are. When you have a lot of experience under your belt, probably struggle more so to find people that are better than you, but they're out there. You know, I've got a couple of guys I discuss trading with. I have a group, and there's one guy there who's been a veteran trader for 50 years. I've seen this guy take long-term trades, weekly, monthly trades very successfully. And I've also seen him on the 1 minute world where he's doing micro scalping. Like, this guy is not young, yet he is so determined and still very, very sharp. He'd put a lot of people to shame. He's one of the best traders I've seen in the world, but you need that to keep your learning going. Learning is very important with trading. If you think you've got it, well, you're going backwards. I always believe that you can always learn something new. You can always sharpen up your skills that you have right now and improve, constantly improve on the small things. Small things in a year's time is a big, massive increase in the bottom line, and that is profit. At the end of the day, it is about profit and trading, okay? So that's just a little hint. Definitely get yourself around some good traders who are better than you, and definitely try to get a decent trading group together who discuss the detail in trading for the benefits of yourself and the benefits of them. You've got to have some input, and you've got to give back to them. They're not going to take you in just because you want to learn. You've got to give something back in return. Okay, guys, get around some good people, get around some good traders, and you'll do really great things. All right, guys, talk soon.